So in this video, I will explain how to express a discontinuous function in terms of unit step function and hence how to find its Laplace transform. So I'll take up example like this. If suppose if we have f of t is equal to f1 of t, so where t is less than or equal to a and f2 of t when t is greater than a. So then this function can be expressed as f of t is equals to f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a. That is, if the function is defined like this, f of t equals f1 of t when t is less than or equal to a, and f2 of t when t is greater than a. So then, f this function first you write f of t equals f1 of t plus f2 minus f1 into u of t minus a. Similarly, the function can also be written like this. F of t can also be defined as three functions. One is f1 of t, f2 of t, and f3 of t. So this is when t is less than or equal to a, and this is when t is greater than a, less than b, and when this is when t is greater than b. So in such case, this function can be written as f of t is equal to, first write f1 of t, f1 of t plus, now f2 minus f1, that is f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a plus, now f3 minus f2, that is f3 of t minus f2 of t into u of t minus b. So this is how we'll express the discontinuous function in terms of unit step function. Now I'll explain the same thing with an example. So express f of t is equal to t when t is less than 0, sorry, greater than 0, less than 4, and 5, and 5 when t is more than 4. So this can be written as f of t is equals to, first you write first function, that is t plus 5 minus t, the second one minus the first, into u of t minus 4. Now we have expressed it as a unit step function. Now find the Laplace transform. Laplace transform of f of t is equals to, so Laplace transform of t plus Laplace transform of 5 minus t into u of t minus 4. Take it as equation 1. Now write down the Laplace transform of each term. On the right hand side we have two terms. Laplace transform of t will be 1 factorial by 1 plus 1, that is s square. S1 by s square. This is straightforward. Now to find to find Laplace transform of 5 minus t into u of t minus 4. So we have to take u of t minus 4 coefficient as f of t minus 4, that is 5 minus t. And now to get f of t, we should replace t by t plus 4 on both sides of the above equation. So left hand side becomes f of t. 5 minus of t plus 4, that is 5 minus t minus 4. 5 minus 4 will be 1. So therefore f of t will be 1 minus t. Now use the property Laplace transform of f of t will be equal to, so Laplace transform of 1 minus t. Write its Laplace transform now, that is f of s is equals to, Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s, t will be 1 by s square. Now use the property, that is Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a will be equal to e to the power of minus as into f of s. So therefore, Laplace transform of 5 minus t into u of t minus 4. That is t minus a means we will write e power minus as. T minus 4 means it is e power minus 4s into f of s. F of s is what? 1 by s minus 1 by s square. You take this as a, what is that equation? So there should be, this is 2 and this will be 3. So we'll combine 1 and 2 to, sorry, from 2 and 3, from equations 2 and 3. We'll get the Laplace transform of the given function. That is Laplace transform of f of t will be equal to, first one 1 by s square plus e to the power of minus 4s into 1 by s minus 1 by s square. So this is the solution of the given equation, given function. So sorry, not the solution, Laplace transform of the given function. This is how we'll find the Laplace transform of the unit step function.